Hey everybody, I'm JB from BigRedEDC right here on YouTube, and super stoked to be doing a guest review on Knives Illustrated today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Kitefin. This is model 2001 with the bronze finish. We'll take a look at that full titanium handle. As you can see there on the show side, you've got a lot of milling going on, and that milling, I tell you what, it gives you a pretty darn good grip. Really aids on the grip going both ways. Just kind of give you a look. Really nice mill job. You've got full titanium hardware, titanium backspacer, and again a titanium pocket clip. Now if you see that flame anode job on that pocket clip and then the holes milled in it, this really, to me, really stands out and really looks good. The natural titanium coming through on that flame anode really looks nice. Fairly deep carry, not too bad. Got about 1/4 of an inch sticking out there, which isn't too bad at all. Definitely got a lanyard hole there and recessed screws on that clip. Always a good idea in my mind. The Kitefin is a flipper. You can see there you've got some jimping on your flipper tab. Not overly aggressive. Really nice. Gives your finger a good amount of purchase. Check out our centering. Oh yeah, centering's on and looks good. Flip it out there. It is a full titanium frame lock, as I said. Got a hard steel insert. Our lockup looks to be, probably about 50% on the lockup, riding on cage ceramic bearings. We come to that S35 VN drop point blade. Nice satin finish on it. Swedge across the top. Now, you've got a very generous forward finger choil on this. As I lay my finger, resting it on the flipper tab there, you can see there's plenty of room left over for larger fingers, larger than mine for sure. Jimping on the spine. Now, as my hand naturally lays on the spine, the jimping grabs probably the last half of my thumb, which aids in the grip for sure, but get up on there, that finger choil, and you can definitely get in for some nice detailed work if that's what you need to do with the Kitefin. Some quick specs for you. You're looking at pretty much right about 7.5 inches overall, 4 1/4 on the handle, 3 1/4 on the blade, with an overall cutting edge that's falling right about 2 3/4 inches. And then something I like to show, your natural grip length is about 3 3/8 inches. So in my 3 3/4 inch hand, you can see there, I can get a full 4-finger grip on it. Have a little bit left over. And really for me, I mean, that's pretty much perfect as far as an EDC carry for me. Real quick, I'm going to bring the scale out here. Give you a quick weight on the Kitefin. Its advertised weight is 2.88. My scale reads 2.9, so that's right in there. For our friends across the pond, that's 81 grams. Overall, guys, the Kitefin is a really nice EDC. A good weight to blade ratio, 3 1/4 inches, 2.9 ounces, falls right in that sweet spot, for me especially. Good handle to blade ratio. Overall, the Kitefin is a pretty darn good knife, guys. I appreciate the opportunity to do this guest review for Knives Illustrated today. Hope to see you again, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for the notifications, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.